In the last video, we talked about learning a skill. So you have learned a skill, you've been putting it to work, but you are still not making the money. This is because skill is not enough. Remember we talked about Tunde and we talked about um how Tunde was trying everything he sees on the internet, how he was making screenshots, how he was jumping on every trend, how he was trying every video which he sees just to make money online. So Tunde then decided to learn a skill. He stopped chasing every trend and now he focused on content creation, which we talked about in the last video. So for weeks of practice, most people would quit because Tunde was making videos, but he wasn't actually making money. So here is the deal. Instead of asking, how do I make money? He asked a better question. What do people actually need help with? What are those things people need help with when it comes to content creation? The question then changed everything for today. He noticed something. People were struggling to grow on social media. And so Tunde stopped making random content and then he started making this content based on how to grow on social media. He started creating solution for these people. He started creating what they need to do. He started teaching them what to do. Simple ideas, practical tips, and he started giving real values. So what then does today needs to do then? So students started building audience from one video to two videos to three videos to four videos, five video. It makes it he actually made his 10 video. He was uploading them. He's getting 10 views, 20 views. Sometimes he even gets zero views, sometimes just five views. And then something happened. One day he posted a video, and after posting the video, just as his normal self, is like, okay, I'm just gonna post this video and nothing. Let me just post it because I came across this idea and let me just see what is going to happen. But something changed with this particular video. This particular video got 5,000 views. And so they was very surprised that now I have 5,000 views. And you know what? So they went back. He created another video. He got 1,000 views. But these videos which he started creating now, they started getting 1,000 views. He started getting subscribers. He started getting those views which he desired. He started getting comments on his video, and not just comments. People started asking questions. When you start making videos and people started asking questions, that means what you are giving is giving real value. I remember when I was posting how to study abroad on my channel, when I was making these videos on how to study abroad, and people just keep asking me questions. I get emails upon emails. I even have people sending their documents to me and telling me, can you please review my documents? Can you tell me which student colleague is the best one? Some people, they even come like, I'm going to pay you, can I just send you my documents and you make all the applications for me? This is because I started solving the problem of these people, because many of them, as at that time, the word Japa was trending and they just wanted to do everything to leave their home country. So seeing a video of mine and seeing the solution I was providing at that time, people loved it. And because of that, they trusted me. And this is one thing you should know. When you start making those content, when you start making content on a particular niche, when people keep seeing your videos and seeing more videos, they trust you. I remember last year somebody made a comment on my video and I was like, I trust Akere because any video he posted is because he has actually checked it. And this was when I started making this make money online content. And it was like, and she was like, he has actually checked it and he will actually put out the truth. And I was so happy reading this comment because somebody is saying somebody could trust me even from my video, even haven't met me personally. So watch, what you are posting should not just be just random stuff like, let me just post. It should be something that people can trust you and they can actually recommend you. I was in church one day and people like, we saw you on YouTube. I was like, I didn't tell any of you I'm on YouTube. This is because your video is being recommended because you are providing real solution to people. And this was the jackpot. It's not a jackpot, it's a process. The more videos you make, the more good information you provide out there, the more solution you are rendering to people. Your solution can even be entertainment. People are entertained by what you do when it comes to content creation. It can be another thing we are talking about online or how to make money. You can be plumbing. Maybe you are doing plumbing in real life and you've learned the skills of plumbing. You've done your first job, you've done your second job, but you didn't get the biggest money which you want, but you were providing quality, like you were providing quality job for that particular client. So when you provide quality job to that particular client sees your job, and when another person, a friend, a family, a relation, they need a service of a plumber, this person can actually boldly recommend you and be like, I had somebody who did my job few days ago, few years ago, few months ago, and it was very good and he did this job neatly and everything was perfect. That is a recommendation because you provide a solution, an authentic solution. So not just a bottle job, not just a job that doesn't make any sense. You provide a quality solution. And guess what? Your contact is shared. You were called and be like, I got a contact from a friend of mine, and this friend says you did a perfect job. I would like to do some plumbing job in my house. Can you please? Just like that, you've gotten another client. This client, if you do another quality job, this client is going to recommend you to another person. And this is how you start trending. Note that word, trending. This is how you start trending. By the way, I got my first 1 million views here in all my years of creating content. I've gotten million views on more than any on one or two content, but combined together, but on one particular post. And it was just a post. It was just a post, just a picture with some random things which I wrote there. I got more than 1.1 million views on this particular post. It was like a jackpot for me. Let's go back to what we were talking about. So because you did a quality plumbing job for that other person, the person will recommend you to another person, and this is how you continue trending. You keep going, and the recommendation keep going and going and going. You might even be posting that plumbing job while you are doing it on social media. So let's say you are recording yourself, you just set your camera somewhere, you are doing it, and people even start asking you questions. Okay, if I want to start a plumbing job today, how do I do it? They see you how you're working neatly, and this is how it goes. And even social media, even YouTube or whichever platform which you're using, they start recommending your content because people are seeing value, people are seeing solution in what you are posting. So like I said, Tunde start getting views, he start getting comments, and trust begin to build. People begin to trust him. People like, if I need a solution, I just go to Tunde. Yeah. And it's just like me, when I need to talk, when I need to know things about any gadgets or especially phones, yeah, I go to MKBH3 channel, that is Marcus Brownie. I go to Aaron's channel, Mr. Woods Boss. I check these two videos. If any phone should come out from iPhone, from Samsung, or any gadget, I go first to their channel, watch their video, because I know they are going to give me that authenticity which I actually wanted, because they have built trust on them, and I know that they will never come online and just say something that is not helpful. So now let's go back. Sunday is not having the views, he's getting the comments, people trust him. That means he should be getting money, right? But attention does not equal money. Like I said, Sunday is trending, he's getting views, but know that attention is not equals money. Let's take Facebook for example. When you start posting on Facebook, yeah, many people will tell you, you can get monetized on Facebook after 1 month, after 2 months, blah 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 blah. But check, on Facebook, when you are posting on Facebook and you keep posting and posting consistently, sorry, tongue twister there, you keep posting and posting, yeah, Facebook notice what you are doing. Yeah, and they will even start giving you tasks for the week and everything. And if you are able to achieve these tasks, which they give you weekly, and you keep posting consistently, before you know it, you get monetized on Facebook. And after monetization, your problem is not solved there. After monetization, your problem is not solved. You still need to continue posting that quality content, because when you keep posting that quality content which you are posting, this is what will get more engagement, and the engagement is what gives you money. So monetization is not enough, and this is the case here. Attention is not equals to money. 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 3 million views is not equals to money. There's something which is called retention. You get 1 million views, but how long was the video watched? We'll talk about that. Yeah, a lot of people will stop here because now they are happy. I'm getting views. Oh, I'm being popular. I'm getting views. But Sunday has not yet earned any money. He had the skills, he had the audience, but still no income. In the final part, I will show you how you can turn attention into real money, and also scale the skill which you have now to get real money. Do well to subscribe to the channel. Do well to love to like this video. You can love it if you want to like this video so it gets recommended to somebody. And I will see you in the next video. My name is Akere. Watch out for part 3 of this particular series. Of course, subscribe, and I'll see you. Bye for now.